Good evening, friends. Today we are going to discuss about qualities or properties of good money. Lecture number 5. Welcome back. Now, as the title says, qualities and properties of good money we are talking about. Word important? Good money. So what comprises of good money, or which money is called as good money, or what is the type of money that can be called as good, right? Now there are, good here means not by the crispness of the notes or the shiny part of the money, coins. Kadak note or naye sikke, that is not good money. Good money, what comprises of good money? What are the properties of good money? First property is, it should have stable value. The money's value should be stable without fluctuations in its intrinsic value. Which means, a rupee which has 100 printed on it, or 100 rupee note should be equivalent to 100 worth everywhere, anywhere, anyhow. That is what we mean to say by stable value. That means 100 रुपए की जो कीमत है 100 ही होनी चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि महाराष्ट्र में 100 रुपए की कीमत 90 है, आंध्र प्रदेश में चले जाएंगे तो 110 रुपए की वस्तुएं ले सकते हैं. ऐसा नहीं. The quantity that you purchase against 100 rupees may differ, but the value of 100 rupees, it remains stable, without fluctuations, right? In its intrinsic value. Now, what do you mean by intrinsic value? It can be functional, it can be natural, it can be inherent. Which means, functional means it should be in a position to give the money holder its functional value. Functional यानी 100 रुपए के हिसाब से उसको चीजें मिलनी चाहिए, कहीं पे भी, कहीं किसी भी समय भी. That is what we say functional value. It's a natural. 100 रुपए में जो चीज यहाँ मिलती है, हो सकता है कि 100 रुपए में कहीं और भी मिले. यानी विद इन सिटी ऑल्सो यू कैन से, जैसे हम कहते हैं एक वड़ा पाव है 10 रुपए में मिलता है. एनीवेयर इन औरंगाबाद यू गो, यू विल गेट अराउंड 10 रुपीज. दैट इज व्हाट, इट्स नेचुरल. इनहेरेंट, 100 रुपए की कीमत यानी 100 रुपए के हिसाब से चीजें मिल सकती हैं सभी जगह. उसकी क्वांटिटी कम ज्यादा हो सकती है. Quantity can be differed against that. Like for example, against 100 rupees, if you go to Shahganj Mandi, you may get some 5 different types of vegetables. Same thing, if you go to more, you may not get, you may get 4 rupees. But what you're getting? You're getting 100 rupee worth of products or services. So, any money which has stable value is good money. Second, certainty of the future value in the sense that its purchasing power does not diminish over a period of time. Right? Future value, we are talking about future value. So, certain that the money, whichever money you are having, it has certainty that its future value is not going to come down. 99.9% future value of money does not come down, right? It increases with respect to time. That is what we call it as in finance. You might have understood, you might remember, we had studied that time value of money concept. So that is what it means. Say for example, its purchasing power does not diminish over a period of time. Whatever you are going to purchase today by 100 rupees, you are able to purchase 100 rupees of goods or worth later on also in life. It is not that a currency that is printed in 2015 does not have the same kind of value, that's not going to, it's not going to diminish, it's going to remain certain. Though it might not remain same, but it is going to remain certain that 100 rupee worth. Definitely 100 rupee worth today has less value in future. But again, it is going to be appreciated by the amount of interest it accumulates over a period of time. That means present value of 100 rupees is going to be the same as future value of 100 rupees. That is what we mean to say here by certainty. Certain. Should be portable means the money should be in a position such that it can be easily carried from place A to place B in whatever quantity is possible. Right? Should be portable, ability to be available in smaller quantities. If you want to have money in smaller quantities, like for example, 1 रुपए का अगर बंडल लेंगे तो 1 लाख में बहुत सारे बंडल आएंगे. उसी को हम क्या कर सकते हैं, 2000 का अगर हम नोट लेते हैं तो 2000 की क्वांटिटी कम हो जाती है. तो ऐसा पैसा जो कि कम क्वांटिटी में भी ज्यादा वैल्यू का हम ले जा सके, उस मनी को क्या कहते हैं, दैट इज गुड मनी. ड्यूरेबल, recognizable, divisible in small quantities. Durable. Durable means it should be in a position to hold the effects of nature on the money. Right? ऐसा नहीं कि 100 रुपए का नोट 1 जनवरी को छापा और दिसंबर में वो फटफुट गया. Right? So that is what we mean to say durable. Recognizable. Any currency that is issued or any financial instrument that is issued by the respective regulatory authority. Currency is issued by RBI. Share certificates are issued by SEBI. So any financial instrument that is issued by respective regulatory authority, जो financial instrument जो regulatory authority release करती है, it should be easily recognizable. One look at the note, you will say that हाँ 10 रुपया मेरे पास भी ऐसा ही 10 रुपया है, आपके पास भी 10 रुपया ऐसा है, किसी और के पास भी 10 रुपया वैसे ही है. Easily recognizable. Divisible in smaller quantities. You can divide the money in smaller quantities. Like I said, 1000 rupees. If you want to take, you can take it in 1 rupee denomination. Also in 1 rupee denomination का अगर लेंगे तो आपको कितने लगेंगे, 1000. 2000 का लेंगे तो कितने नोट लगेंगे, 5. Divisible in smaller quantities. And lastly, production cost of money should be low. Like for example, if the production cost of money, say 10 rupee note है, 10 रुपए के नोट को बनाने के लिए अगर 5 रुपए लगते हैं, तो what is happening here? The value of money at the start itself has decreased by 50%. 10 रुपए का नोट बनाने के लिए बहुत कम कॉस्ट होनी चाहिए, should be low, such that it retains its intrinsic value. 10 रुपए का नोट बनाना है और 6 रुपए खर्चा आ जाता है तो उसकी वैल्यू कितनी होगी, 4. तो दैट इज नॉट गुड मनी, दैट इज बैड मनी. Okay? So hence, the money which you are going to produce, its cost should be low and cannot be easily counterfeited. Duplication. Counterfeited means which cannot be easily duplicated. Duplicate नोट बनाना महंगा होना है और ऐसा भी नोट नहीं बनाना कि चलते चलते आपने नोट को जेरोक्स कर दिया और चला दिया. Why? It cannot be easily counterfeited. मतलब उसमें हर करेंसी में ऐसे सिक्योरिटी फीचर्स होते हैं, और इवन फॉर दैट मैटर अगर आप देखेंगे शेयर सर्टिफिकेट्स है, किसान विकास पत्र है, आप किसान विकास पत्र देखेंगे, शेयर सर्टिफिकेट देखेंगे तो उसमें होलोग्राम होता है. होलोग्राम को बनाना इतना आसान नहीं होता, हर कंपनी का अपना अपना होलोग्राम होता है. या नोट देखेंगे तो बीच में एक स्टील की पट्टी होती है, सिल्वर की पट्टी होती है, स्टील नहीं सिल्वर की पट्टी. तो दैट कैनॉट बी इजीली काउंटरफीटेड. डुप्लीकेट नोट्स बनाना इतना आसान नहीं है. थोड़ा बहुत कोशिश करते हैं, सक्सेसफुल होते हैं, दैट इज अ डिफरेंट मैटर. बट योर गुड मनी शुड बी, व्हाट इज द क्वालिटी ऑफ गुड मनी? Which cannot be easily counterfeited. डुप्लीकेट बनाना इतना आसान नहीं है. Why dollar is having value, you know? Because it cannot be easily counterfeited. Duplicate बनाना इतना आसान नहीं है. So that is why dollar is having highest value in currency market. That is for now. I request all the students, if you have any difficulties, please post your questions on today's group that we are seeing, MBA Finance 2021 group. Any questions you have regarding any lecture, say from lecture 1 to lecture number 5, that is video number 5. I think this is video number 6, if I am not wrong. So all these lectures, if you have any questions, feel free to send in your questions without any hesitation. Write it down. The questions can be about this explanation, about the speed of explanation, about the format of explanation, whatever it is, whatever questions you have in mind, whatever doubts you have in mind, please give the feedback. That's all for now. Thank you. Take care.